social media is being used to actually and buy sell and buy drugs. Ewan ko, kayo mga nakikinig sa akin, you will, ah, you will parang, confirm this to me that there are multiple ways in social media to actually transact anything under the sun. And there are certain, even ano, even alam nyo ba kahit laro, online games, laro sa PlayStation, sa Xbox, alam nyo po ba even here in America, nagagamit, na-exploit yung mga bata. Even, eto this is crazy. And I found this 2 years ago. Ang kahit daw yung pagchat-chat sa mga YouTube Live, alam nyo ba na may mga certain words, certain letters, certain symbols na ginagamit yung mga drug dealers to actually make transactions? This is crazy. And I'm not even kidding. May mga words silang ginagawa, may mga actuations, may mga sign language,